Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Mohsina. Do you ever wish if you had said something differently in the past or wonder how your life might be different if you had made another choice? Then this video is just for you. In this video, we will break third conditional and mixed conditional sentences step by step with examples and real life situations. So first, we are going to talk about third conditional sentences. We use third conditional sentences to talk about past regret, hypothetical situations in the past that cannot be happen now. So, sentence structure is if plus past perfect, would, have and past participle. For example, if he had studied harder, he would have passed the exam. अगर उसने अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता तो एग्जाम पास करता. If it hadn't been for you, I wouldn't have improved. If we had left earlier, we wouldn't have missed the train. If I had known that you were coming, I would have prepared dinner for you. अगर मुझे पता होता कि तुम आ रही हो तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए डिनर बनाती. तो मुझे पता नहीं चला तो मैं बना नहीं पाई. If she had called me, I would have helped her. But did she call me? She didn't call me, so I couldn't help her. Another example, if your friend had birthday but you forgot, you can regret like this way. If I had remembered, I would have called you. But now you can't change the situation because it already happened, only you can regret. So these are the example of third conditional sentences. Don't be confused. It's not that much difficult, just you need to practice. And remember the sentence structure: if plus past perfect plus would have and past participle form of the verb. That means V3. Now let's talk about mixed conditional sentences. It is quite tricky, but again if you practice it will be easier for you. So here when we talk about the mixed conditional sentences, a mixed conditional sentence combines two different times. The first one is past situation affecting the present, and second type is present situation affecting the past. The first one sentence structure is if plus past perfect plus would and base form of the verb, that means V1. For example, if I had won the lottery, I would be rich now. If he had taken the job, he would be rich now. If she had moved to London, she would live there now. If she had learnt English earlier, she would speak English fluently now. Now let's talk about second type or type 2 mixed conditional sentences. Know how your present personality or situation affected the past. The sentence structure is if plus past simple plus would have and past participle form of the verb. For example, if I were confident, I would have spoken in the meeting. But I am not confident, that's why I did not speak there. That means my present situation, present personality affected my past. I could not speak in the meeting because I am not confident now. Another example, if he weren't lazy, he would have got the job. He is lazy now. That's why he didn't put effort and he could not get the job. So his present situation, present personality affected his past. So do you think that it is too much difficult or tricky? It might be a little bit tricky when it comes to mixed conditional sentences, but once you make some sentences by yourself with your own life situations, it will become easier for you, and try to use it until and unless it does not become easy for you. So now it's your turn. I am going to write few sentences in the comment section with fill in the blanks, and you have to answer those. Moreover, you try to frame some sentences using third conditional and mixed conditional type 1, type 2, and write in the comment below. I will check whether those are correct or not. By saying that, I would like to wrap up today's session. I hope that it was beneficial for you, and if it was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please let me know what are the content you want me to make more. These days I am thinking that if I create different content, it will be beneficial for you. I can make only conversational videos, and it is quite easy because I just have to talk to people. Whenever I try to make a solo video, I need to do the research, but if we do only one thing, we don't improve. I have realized one thing in my case. I was not that much confident initially when I was talking to people for conversational videos, but now I feel confident, and I don't have any kind of hesitation to talk to people. But I will be doing conversational videos. On top of that, I want to make different solo videos as well, sometimes some blogs as well. But I want you to comment what kind of content you want me to make, because here I want to make those content you like or you want. So thank you so much everyone.